Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I have some deals for you that I've done at CVS. Some are some money. Well, one is a money maker. The other one's an incredible deal, and the other one's a very good deal. So, CVS is fire this week, guys. They have a lot of different things that you can do, from household to personal goods to food. So I'll probably come with another video later today, and definitely one tomorrow. But I wanted to show you guys an example of how I'm going to use my $6 off 30 CRT that was given to me, as well as how to do the spend 30, get back 10, and not have a high out of pocket. So the first deal we're going to start with is, well, before we do that, if you guys are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscription button, then click the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video, and you won't miss out on any deals or any savings and glitches and things of that nature. Now, if you haven't downloaded Ibotta, I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. All you have to do is click on it, go ahead and fill your account out, and get ready to start saving. We're also going to use Fetch. We're not going to get a whole bunch of points from Fetch, but we always submit every receipt that we get from Fetch, because every receipt is worth at least 25 points. So the first deal we're going to do is on the Degree deodorant. Now, you see I only have one, but I actually purchased two. I don't know where the other one is. I don't know if it rolled around in my car or what I did with it, but I did purchase two Degree deodorants, and you guys will see it on my receipt. So this week, the Degree deodorants and Dove deodorants, and so many other products are on sale. Buy one, get one half off. And when you buy two, you get a $2 extra buck. I chose to do the Degree deal just because of the coupons that are out and the Ibotta rebates. Now, the Dove deal is a nice deal too, but there's no Ibotta rebates for that, so that's why I didn't do that. I did the Degree deal because it would be a moneymaker. And like I tell you guys all the time, if you want to truly save as a couponer and be able to use that money to buy other things, pay down debt, or even just to save some money for a rainy day, you cannot be brand specific. You have to go with what is on sale and what is the best deal. You have to learn to try other products and other brands. Yes, I'm a big Dove fan, but if that is not what's making me a moneymaker, giving it to me free, I'm going to get what is. And this week it is Degree. So the Degree, again, they're buy one, get one half off. So they're $6.29. And then when you buy the second one, which is half off, it's going to be $3.15. And you're going to get $2 in extra bucks. So I bought those two. And then I use this coupon. Yes, it is expired. But if your store takes coupons that are expired within 14 days, you can still use it. And this coupon is good until Saturday, so it's buy one, get one free, up to $7.50. So you're not going to get $7.50 off. You're going to get $6.29 off. So that's what I got off. But then I also looked into my CVS app, and I had two $1 off deodorant CRTs. So look in your CVS app. I know someone told me they had a $3 off 12 deodorant CRT. Whatever CRTs that you have for deodorant, clip those and use those. That will bring your out of pocket down and make it a moneymaker for you. So that's what it did for me. So I used two $1 off deodorant CRTs, and let me show you my receipt. So here you see I got both of the deodorants. The first one was $6.29. Then the second one was half price at $3.15. I used the coupon that gave me $6.29 off. So really, only thing I'm paying for is the half price one, which is $3.15. I got the $2 off for my $1 CRTs that I used, and then I had like 46 cents in extra bucks. So really, what I paid out of pocket was the 46 cents plus the 68 cents. And I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So when you add the 46 cents and the 68 cents, that's what I paid out of pocket. So that's $1.14 or $1.15, however you want to put it. But then look, I got back the $2 extra buck, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and Ibotta is giving $1.50 back for each deodorant. So there you see, I got my $3 back from Ibotta. So between the $3 that I got back from Ibotta plus the $2 back in extra bucks, that makes this deodorant a $3.86 moneymaker. So basically, CVS paid me $3.86 to buy 2 Degree deodorants. I'll do that all day, every day. And guess what, guys? Even if you don't have the CRTs, the 2 $1 CRTs, still do it, because it'll still be a $1.85 moneymaker. So guess what? I have more coupons. I'm going to get me more Degree deodorant, because as soon as this Ibotta rebate resets, I'm going to submit my receipt for that. Okay, so that's the first thing I did. So that's a great deal to do. And that is on the men's or the women's, guys. So you decide which one you want to do. The second deal that I did is on the Fabuloso. And I usually don't buy Fabuloso from CVS, but I did get it this time just because they were giving back extra bucks and because it was on sale. Because it's $3.79 for one at CVS, and I think at like Dollar General and Walmart and stuff, I think I can get this for like $2.99, something like that. So that's why I don't buy it from CVS unless they're giving extra bucks and things, in which they were. So this is on special. Buy one, get one half off. And then when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck. Something else that's included in the Fabuloso is the Palmolive dish detergent. I chose to get the Fabuloso because I just bought a bunch of Palmolive from Dollar General last week. But the Palmolive, you'll pay $3.79 for the first one. Then you're going to pay $1.90 for the second one. Okay, so that is going to bring your out-of-pocket to $5.69. So let me show you. There you see, I got the 2 Fabulosos. Ignore the Scott toilet paper because that's not part of this. I just needed that. Okay, so we're going to pay $5.69 for the Fabuloso, and then there's our $2 extra buck that we got back for that. So then when you take the $2 extra bucks from the $5.69, that means that you're going to pay $3.69 for 2 Fabulosos, or if you want to say per bottle, that's $1.84 per bottle, which is still better than buying it at Walmart or Dollar General without any coupons. So that's why I got that. That was a pretty good deal. And I did not show you, here is my extra buck that I got for my deodorant. I forgot to show you that. Okay, so now let's get to the big thing that I did. So now I did a spend 30, get $10 back in extra bucks. Now guys, when you do this deal, please, 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 I can't say it enough. Please, 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 pay attention to what you're getting. And the reason I'm saying that is because I messed up, okay? So if any couponer, I don't care how long people have been couponing, if they tell you that they never mess up or all of their deals come out perfect, they're lying, because it's not the truth, okay? Everybody messes up. But I like to share my mistakes with you guys so that you don't do the same thing I did. So you guys know normally when CVS has the spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks back on laundry products, it's usually Gain and Tide both included, right? Well, this week, it's not. The Tide is not included. And I didn't pay attention, and I just grabbed a Tide. The Gain is included, but the Tide is not included this week. And I didn't realize it till I got to the register. And I'm like, why didn't my $10 extra buck print out? And I went back and I looked to make sure I grabbed all the right products. And here I found out the Tide was not included. So don't be like me. Pay attention and don't grab the Tide. Now, I could have returned the Tide, but I didn't because I needed, number one, and number two, I wanted to show you guys my mistake. So I did the spend 30, get 10, and I also included a $6 off 30 CRT that I had. So if you guys have like a $6 off 30, an 8 off of 30, an 8 off of 40, this is a good opportunity to use that CRT. I always use those CRTs whenever it's a high spend threshold to get back CRTs. Like the laundry deals like this because it makes it really a really good deal for you. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt here. So I'm going to show you that I did get the Tide. See, it is right there. And look, there's no extra buck. But I went back and bought another Gain product and I got my $10 in extra bucks. So I'm going to show you the deal without the Tide because I don't want you to grab the Tide. Okay? All right. So what you're going to grab, and you can mix it up. It's totally up to you. I'm just showing you what I did. I grabbed the Gain Flings, okay, which are on sale for $5.49. I didn't have a digital coupon for that. I grabbed the Gain Liquid Detergent, which is on sale for $5.49. And I had a $1 digital coupon for this. And then I grabbed the Gain, I did have a $1 digital coupon for the Gain Flings. I grabbed the Gain Fireworks, which are on sale for $5.49. I didn't have a digital coupon for that. And then I grabbed the new Downy Refresh, Rinse and Refresh, and that is on sale for $12.29. When you add the Gain Flings, the Gain Fireworks, the Gain Liquid Detergent, and the Downy Refresh, Rinse and Refresh, that comes to $29.46. No, I didn't spend the $30, but it is the 98% threshold of hitting $30. So that's why I was able to get it like that, okay? Now, these are the coupons I used. Again, I used the digital $1 coupon for the Liquid Gain. I used the digital $1 coupon for the Gain Flings. And I used a $3 manufacturer coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. Now, this is where you get this coupon. Pay attention to this, guys, because I don't want you to do wrong. You go to pngeveryday.com and print off the $3 coupon. Do not print that coupon until you are ready to go to the store and use it. Because once you print it, you have 24 hours to use it. If you don't use it within 24 hours, it expires. And you can't reprint it because you can only print those coupons one time. So if I were you, I wouldn't print that coupon until I was on my way out the door and ready to go to the store. Now, I'm going to tell you why I got this Downy Rinse and Refresh, because normally I wouldn't get that because it's so expensive. It's regularly $17.49. It's on sale this week for $12.99. The reason I got that is, number one, because of the $3 coupon, and because Ibotta just popped up this rebate yesterday for $6.50. So it's 50% off, and you can use a coupon with it. So between the $6.50 and the $3 coupon, that's $9.50 that I was saving off of this. So basically, I was paying $3.49 for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. So I thought this was a fantastic way to be able to try a new product without spending a whole bunch of money. But by adding in my $6 off 30 CRT and getting my $10 back in extra bucks, that is what made this deal an incredible deal. So let me show you my receipt. So there's my Downy There's my Gain Flings. My Gain Flings, ignore the Tide. There's my digital coupons. Okay. And then I went and bought the Gain Fireworks so that I could get my $10 extra buck. Okay, guys, so when we do the math, it came to $29.46. We had $11 in coupons. That brings it down to $18.46. Then we minus our $10 in extra bucks. That brings it down to $8.46. Take away the $6.50 that we got back from Ibotta. That makes this $1.96 out of pocket. Guys, where can you get 4 laundry detergent products for $1.96 total? Nowhere that I know of. So if you were looking to try the Downy Rinse and Refresh, like I said, this is a great opportunity to try it and to spend $30, get $10 off. But if you don't have the spend the $6 off 30 and you just want to try it, or if you've already done the spend 10 get 30, just do the Downy Rinse and Refresh by itself. Use the $3 coupon in the Ibotta rebate. It still will only cost you $3.49, and that's still a good deal. So guys, that is my haul. I didn't go over the Tide because, like I said, that was a mistake. I shouldn't have bought it, and I don't want you guys to do the same, make the same mistake. But this is what I did. So let me know down below if you're going to try the Downy Rinse and Refresh. And there's 2 different scents. I got the lavender, but there's also, I think it's cotton candy or cotton linen or fresh cotton, something like that. It's like a blue and white. I got the purple and white. But let me know if you're going to try the Downy Rinse and Refresh, or if you've already tried it, and let me know what you end up doing for your spend 30 get back 10. So guys, I thank you so much for tuning in, and until the next time, keep on saving.